Hello everyone, welcome back to our online class again. Everyone, what day is it today? Okay, so today is Thursday. Every Thursday in the first session, what are we going to study? What do we have in the first session, everyone? Okay, Grammar Planet 2, okay? And today, everyone, related to our today lesson, we'll study the new unit in Unit 5. And what is the title of Unit 5? As you see on the whiteboard, she's not a singer. Okay, she's not a singer. And related to our lesson focus, we will focus on the verb be. What is verb be, everyone? Do you know what is verb be? Verb to be, right? So how many verb be are there in English? There are 3, right? What are they? Am, is, and are. Okay. So verb be, there are 3 verb be. What are they? Am, is, and are. Okay. And today we are going to learn how can we use am, how can we use are, and how can we use is. Okay. In order to know about how can we use it, you need to know about the subjects. How many subjects are there? Subject pronoun are there in English? There are 7, right? What are they? I, you, I, you, we. I can say I, you, he, she, it. What else? We, they. Okay, so how many? There are 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there are 7 subjects in English, and this 7 subject will use with different verb be. For example, I use with am, and you use with are, and he, she, it use with is, and we, you, and they here also use with are. Okay, so that's why today we will focus on this. How can you use is, are, and am? Okay, are you with me now? Okay, good. So right now, everyone, let's look at the right side here. Let me erase this one. Okay, so we will focus on the affirmative sentence and also the negative sentence. So that's why just look at this side first about the affirmative related to the positive sentence. Okay? Okay, everyone. So as I told you at the moment, there are 7 subject pronoun, right? What are they? I, you, we, they, he, she, it. But this 7 subject pronoun, you know, it, I can say they were categorized or divided into 2 different parts. Singular subject and also plural subject. Singular subject pronoun, what are they? I, you, he, she, it. So this subject pronoun called singular subject pronoun. What about we, you, and they? We call plural subject pronoun. You have a question that, teacher, you here, it roll not just only in singular but also roll in the plural. Yes. If I say you to only to you, only you yourself, so that's why it rolls or it plays as the singular subject. But when I am on the stage and then I say you to the audience, so it means that one play the role as the plural subject. This is what you need to remember. Okay, good. So everyone, do not waste the time. Let's move to our main focus. So I, you, we, and they. How can you use it with verb to be? Okay, so I, we use it with am. Remember, I, we use it with am. I use with is or not? No. I use with are or not? No. Okay, so that's why I use with am. You need to remember. Okay, I here use with am. You can say I am, but you cannot say she am. You cannot say he am, or you cannot say I are, she are, or I are, I is. Okay, you can say I am. Got it? I am a student. I am a daughter. Okay, I am what else? Engineer. Okay, I am an engineer. I am an what else? Actor. Okay, so you can use with I am. We do not use I with is or are at all. Okay, good. What about you, everyone? You normally we use it with are. Okay, you are. Okay, we do not use with is. We never say you is, or we do not say you am, but you use with are. Okay, remember. What about he, she, and it? This one or these three subjects you already learned with verb be. So he, she, and it we use it with is. You need to remember. Okay, he, she, and it we use it with is. We never say he isn't. Oh, sorry, he are, he am. We never say like this, but we say he is, she is, it is. Is it right? Yes, sure. All right. One more thing that I want you to know is about, what is that? The short form of verb be. So this one, what is that? I am. You can write in another form. Just write I apostrophe am. So it equal I am, and it's shorter than this one, right? Sure. Okay, so I am here equal ams. You can pronounce am. Okay, good. This one you are equal you. Okay, and how can you write it? You, and then you just put apostrophe and re. Okay, got it? He is. You also can pronounce his. Okay, his. So this one you just put one apostrophe and add s. Okay, it is the short form. For example, when I write he is a student, look at me. He is a student. Another way you can write like this: he's a student. Why, everyone? Why can you write like this? Because he is here equal his, right? He's a student. Understand? Sure. Okay. Good. One more. She is equal she's. Okay. She is equal she's. Got it? You are right. It is. It is not she. This one it is she. It is it. Okay. It is it. It is. We just put what is it apostrophe s. Got it? She is, she apostrophe s. He is, he apostrophe s. So related to is, when you want to make it with the short form or near the subject, you just, you know what is it? Delete I, and or you can say you just change I to apostrophe and add s. Okay. For example, change I to apostrophe and add s. For example, you can write what is it? He. Okay, he is, and then you want to write into short form, so it becomes he, and then they want you to change y. Sorry, change I to apostrophe. So this one you put apostrophe and then add s. So it becomes the short form, right? C. You change y. C normally C is, right? And then if you want to change C is into the short form, so C still remain the same. But I here, what should you do? Change I to apostrophe and add s. Become C's. His. Okay? Good, everyone. And what about we, you, and they? We are. Remember, we use with are. You use with are. And they also use with are. Remember. We are here. We just put we. And then this one are, right? So when it comes into the short form, what should you do? We. And then you just delete a, put apostrophe, add er. Sorry, add re. So delete a, or we can just change a to apostrophe and add e, or change a to apostrophe and add e, or they are. This one equal what? They change what? Change a to what is it? Apostrophe and add or e. We are. What is it? What should you do? we change A to what? To a pronoun and add or E. Not add like this. Okay? Understand? Easy to remember. With is, we just change I to a pronoun and add S. With I, just change A to, what is it? To a pronoun and add or A. Okay? Good. Okay, look at an example altogether. I am a student. I am a student. So you can write another form. Was it? Am a student. Okay, and you cannot say I am a student, and also you cannot say I is a student. But you can say I am a student. Am a student. Why you can write am a student? Because I am equal am. Right? Good. One more. He is a daughter, and then you can write another way. The way that you can write another sentence, he's a student. A daughter. Okay? Very good. So all of this one we are talking about what is it? Affirmative sentence. What about negative? Look at this side all together. So negative sentence here. Again and again, when we are talking about the negative sentence, what should you know that the sentence should have? The word not, right? Yeah, the sentence should have the word not when we are talking about the negative sentence. So it still remains the same. The subject, they were divided into two different categories, two different parts, singular and plural. Singular I, you, we, they, he, she, it, and plural we, you, and they. Oh, sorry. Again, singular I, you, he, she, it, and plural we, you, and they. Okay? So it's still I still use with am, but when it comes into the negative sentence, you need to add not. Okay? You still use with are, but when it comes into the negative sentence, you just add not. He the same, still use with is, she still use with is, and it still use with is, but what is it? Just add not. So it will be automatically come into the negative sentence. Okay? Good. But in this one, it also have a short form. How can you write it into a short form? Everyone, look at this one. I am not. You can write into a short form. Am not. Okay? I am not. You can write into a short form. Am not. So this one you need to remember. We do not write like this. I am, and then you put an, and then like this. No. Okay? We do not put like this. We have only one form. I apostrophe am, and then put not. Okay? This one is the way that you can write the short form in this one, in I am not equal am not. Okay? What about this one? You are not. You are not equal, what is that? You and. You are not equal you and. It's very easy with from you up until it, and also, from you up until this one. Okay? For example, you are not. So I'm not here, everyone. You still remain the same, but I'm not, you just put a, still remain the same. But not, you just put an. You need to delete O and then put apostrophe. Become you and. Got it? One more. We are not equal. Double time, two times. Not. So what should you do? We and then are. You just what? You write and O. What should you do? Change O to apostrophe and then add T. Okay? Very easy. Is it right? One more. They are not equal what? They still remain the same. What else? You put an apostrophe. Why do we put apostrophe here? Because we delete, what is it? Delete O and add apostrophe and add T. Is it difficult, everyone? This is the way that you can remember. Okay? Related to are already explained. What about is? What about is? He is not equal, he isn't. She is not equal, she isn't. It is not equal, it isn't. Look at me all together. She is not equal what? She still remain the same, right? Is also remain the same, but not here. You just delete O, or we can change O to apostrophe and add T. Okay, she isn't. Becomes she isn't. She is not becomes she isn't. Okay, one more. It is not. So become she. Sorry, become it. What is it? It. Look at this one. What should we do? Yeah, change O to apostrophe, right? It is. It isn't. Understand? Sure. Okay. It's very easy when you remember the rule how to make it into a short form. Okay. So again, I use with am. When you want to make it into the negative form, you just add not after am. You use with are. If you want to make it into the negative form, you just add not after verb to be are. Okay. He, she, it, use with is. And then if you want to make it into the negative, you just add not. We are, you are, they are, and all of this one. When you want to make it into the negative sentence, you just add not after verb to be after are here. Okay. Okay, everyone, and this one, it is a short form. I explain you at the moment, and I hope that you can understand about it. And one more thing, in order to know you understand this lesson, let's do the exercise all together. So in the exercise, it seems to be not so clear, right? In the exercise, I have two sections. Section A, circle the correct answer. So circle the correct answer here. You need to circle only an answer that is the correct one. Okay, so you need to circle only one. I think you should have 2 minutes. You can pause my video for 2 minutes in order to do the exercise. Is it okay, everyone? Okay, if it is okay, now you can pause my video and start doing this exercise by yourself. Let's start. Okay, everyone, welcome back. So hope that you can do it well. Okay, good. So let's check the answer with me all together. Number one, you, this one, which one is the correct one? This one or this one? You apostrophe or e, or you and then add o and apostrophe e. So this one or this one? Which one is the right one? Okay, this one, right? So we should call on you, so handsome. What about this one? She isn't, apostrophe after s or apostrophe she isn't, here apostrophe after n. So which one is the right one? Okay, this one, right? One more, number three. He is or he are. He used with is or are, everyone. Okay, he used with is. Number four. We is or we are excited. We use with is or are. Okay, we use with are. Number five. I am or you are. Which one is the right one? This one not like this. I am, you am. I want to put like this, not like that. Okay, so I am or you am. Which one is the right one? Okay, this one, right? I am. We never say you am. Okay, but we say you are. But this one, which one is the right one? Yes, sure. I am, right? I am. So we should call on I am. I am drinking water. What about section B? Change sentences below into short form, short sentence. So what is it? Number one, I am not a teacher, and then how can you change it into a short sentence? Can you? Why not? If you can, I think you should pause my video again for 2 minutes in order to do the exercise. Okay? Now you can pause my video and do the exercise. Let's start. Welcome back, everyone. So have you got the answers? Okay, so now let's check the answer with me all together. I am not a teacher. So I am not a teacher. I am not here equal. What is it, everyone? Sorry, I am not a teacher. So the short form, what should you write? I apostrophe am and then put not, right? and then a teacher. Shorter than the sentence, right? Okay. What about number 2? She is not a dentist. Look at it's not here. The rule at the moment, what should you do is not. Short form, what is it? Change out to what is it? Apostrophe, right? So isn't become isn't. So this one, she isn't a dentist. Okay. What about number 3? They are so kind. They are so kind. How can you change it into a short form? They are. Look at here. This one, right? They. Okay. They. You just write apostrophe and then add re and then so kind. Have you got the right answer, everyone? Okay, I hope that. Okay, once again, everyone, let me sum up. So today we learn about what is that? Verb to be, right? I, you, we, they, he, she, it. I use with am. You, we, they use with are. He, she, it use with is. When you want to make it into the negative sentence, you just add not after verb to be. For example, you are not, she is not, he is not, it is not, I am not. Okay? If you want to make it into the negative sentence, you just add not after verb to be. And when it comes into the short form, for example, I am not, what should you do? I am not, you just say, alright, am not, right? You are not, she is not, so what should you say? She isn't. They are not. What should you say, everyone? They aren't, right? Yes, that's it. Okay, everyone, so that's it for the first session here, and I think now it's time, so you can have a break now. Okay? Goodbye, see you in the second session. Goodbye.